Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am dying to tell all of my friends about this amazing tanning chair from WKFAMOUT. This chair is not only comfortable and portable, but it comes in many different colors and it's going to quickly become your favorite outdoor chair. I was very impressed with how lightweight and portable this chair is. It folds up very nicely and comes with built-in handles on the chair and the drink holder, so this would be a breeze to take to the beach or the pool or just move around the backyard to catch the best sunlight. You can easily adjust the back to lay flat or put it at 4 different angles for your comfort. The pillow that comes with it is great as a cushion for my head, or it can also be lowered for back support if you need it. It's also easy to take off and put back on. I love that the bungees on the chair are strong and durable. They were very comfortable and they gave me the right support where I needed it. I love that this comes with a little side table to hold my drinks, a book, or a snack. So if you're looking for a tanning chair that's comfortable, reliable, and can go with you pretty much anywhere, then you're going to love this tanning chair from WKFAMOUT. And that's my point of view.